Vietnamese white. Wow! I never saw that. I never saw Vietnamese white like this. 16.4. Wow, Vietnamese white. Yeah, that's what happened when you grow it in your home and you harvest it when it's ready. Wow, amazing. Oh my goodness. I never taste Vietnamese white sweet like that. It is so sweet. This is Connie Meyer. $17. Connie Meyer, 17. Wow, I love it. Let me see. Oh my God, it is so sweet. It is so sweet. Yes, and it have the coconut head. Delicious fruit. This is A5 Paco. This is the smallest one on the tree. Just the first try. I have bigger fruit, but this is just to see. Look how red inside. This is very small, tiny fruit. Yeah, this is small one. Yeah, you feel the sweetness in the end. Let me test it again. A5 Paco. First fruit, just to try. 14.9. This is Tricia. Tricia. 19.4. Wow. My God. Every fruit is different. The weather's effect, the water's effect, the sun is effect, everything is affect the fruit. Tricia, this is my second year. Last year is not that sweet. Last year is 14. Now we have a different. Yeah, the more you take care of your dragon, the more you're gonna have tasty fruit. And I treat my dragons like my kids. I feed them, I take care of them, I protect them. This is Tricia. Wow, wow, wow. So sweet. Yes. People they talk about Tricia, it's not that sweet. It is so sweet. I like it. I'm gonna keep it for sure. Another cotton candy. Cotton candy. This is the second fruit I tried this year, but that one is bigger than this, the size. 40.6. This is a small fruit and it's affected by Athens a little bit. Cotton candy. Yes, a little bit sour, but good combination. What do we have here? This is a Sonta one. No, this is Connie Meyer, actually, another Connie Meyer. I'm gonna bring a Sonta one to see it. Sugar Dragon. Sugar Dragon. This is always sweet. More than 19 for sure. $19.1. Sugar Dragon 19.1. Yes, this is it's called Sugar Dragon because it is tastes like sugar. Make a lot of fruit. Oh, it is sweet. You should eat this one the last because anything after this is not gonna be sweet. Too much. Yeah, Sugar Dragon is very sweet. It's a small fruit, but the tree gonna give you a lot of fruit. This is a Sonta one. This is a Sonta one. Yeah. $15.2. Ascenta one 15.2. Wow. Tastes like a grape. Yeah. Nice. Ascenta one. Small fruit, but that's what happened. When they have small fruit, they have more fruit, but still tasty. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna try all the variety I have. I'm gonna taste. That's why please comment and subscribe and share and like for more videos. Thank you.